Hello everyone, my name is Sean Vaught, and thank you for joining me for my presentation. This presentation will cover a portion of my research topic as part of the curriculum for IS 8005 at Kennesaw State University. Today, we will briefly discuss blockchain technology and its application to the logistics industry. After this presentation, you should have a basic understanding of blockchain technology, understand its common applications to the logistics industry, identify potential barriers to full-scale industry-wide adoption, and observe current initiatives for industry-wide adoption, including those by the Blockchain and Transport Alliance, TradeLens, and Zim Integrated Shipping Services. So what is blockchain? When most people hear the word blockchain, they often think of Bitcoin, which is a form of digital cryptocurrency established in 2008 that allows users to trade online currency without the need for a bank to act as an arbitrator. Blockchain is the fundamental technology that supports Bitcoin. It can be defined as a decentralized, self-governing network of computers that each hold a copy of the same digital ledger. As transactions occur, they are encrypted using a method called hashing and are added to a unique chain that is unable to be altered once validated by the members of the network. This increases security, trust, and efficiency without the need for a third-party intermediary. As this technology grows in popularity, more industries are beginning to take notice of the benefits, including in the logistics industry. In a 2018 survey, the Boston Consulting Group surveyed a group of 100 executives in the logistics industry. Of those surveyed, 88% believe blockchain will transform the transportation industry as we know it. However, 74% of respondents have a limited understanding of the technology and have no immediate plans to adopt. As blockchain continues to mature, logistics executives are starting to uncover real-world use cases for the technology to address inefficiencies within the supply chain. Supply chains will see improved tracking with the use of decentralized and permissioned ledgers that allow companies to share real-time tracking information without compromising confidential data. Consumers can be assured that products that they buy are ethically sourced. This is accomplished by recording a unique transaction at the time of production that is recorded to a ledger and tracked throughout the life cycle of the shipment. The immutable nature of blockchain technology prevents this record from being altered as it moves through the supply chain. Blockchain-based bills of lading can reduce administrative costs by allowing shippers to distribute a single copy to all members of the peer-to-peer network. Bills of lading are documents that provide information about the contents of a shipment as well as the instructions for how to move the shipment. Blockchain technology reduces the likelihood of forged bills of lading during transit, and it also eliminates unnecessary clerical work, including emailing and faxing documents to members of the supply chain. Smart contracts are the most transformative benefit as they can re-engineer the way that many companies do business. Smart contracts are blockchain-based contracts written in code that automatically enforce the conditions of a contract when conditions are met. For instance, when a product is delivered to its final destination, smart contracts can automatically execute payment for the product being delivered. Implementing each of these benefits varies in terms of complexity. A 2018 study in Logistics Open Access Journal encourages companies to consider starting small-scale implementations within their own company before pursuing full-scale implementation throughout the entire supply chain. Despite the vast amount of benefits offered by blockchain, it does not come without its challenges. A 2018 study completed by DHL cites several challenges preventing this technology from being fully implemented. The first challenge is industry-wide collaboration. Due to the size of the logistics industry, every company's technological capabilities are different, and smaller companies will have a difficult time adopting the technology at its early stages. Additionally, companies who compete directly with each other could be unwilling to work together on blockchain initiatives. Development of industry standards could prove to be challenging for the same reasons. Owing to the complexity of the logistics industry, it is probable that multiple blockchain networks and alliances will be developed. The scalability of the technology is not yet understood. Since blockchain technology requires companies to migrate from the traditional client-server model to a peer-to-peer network, it is unknown if the decentralized network possesses the necessary computing power and speed to support a large-scale implementation. Lastly, personnel challenges within individual companies remain an issue for two reasons. Companies must first get organizational buy-in from their management teams and employees to successfully implement blockchain at their company. Additionally, companies must focus on hiring the right developers to implement a new system that is compatible with other nodes or members on the network. The authors note that each of these challenges can be overcome by increasing collaboration between companies to develop compatible technology. This includes working with competitors to develop standards and identify potential future use cases of the technology. In fact, several initiatives are underway, which we will discuss in the next few slides. Collaboration among industry leaders is necessary to advance the potential of blockchain technology. This is exactly what BITA seeks to accomplish. BITA, short for Blockchain and Transport Alliance, is a coalition created in 2017 as a means for transportation companies to work together to create industry standards for blockchain. It provides members with opportunities to participate in committees to develop standards, access educational materials such as white papers and webinars, and attend semi-annual conferences to discuss trends in the freight industry. BITA currently has over 300 members, including shippers, railroads, trucking companies, tech companies, and third-party freight brokers. Another initiative is TradeLens, which is a pilot program jointly developed by IBM and Maersk Shipping Lines to implement blockchain within Maersk's supply chain. Features of this project include the ability for participating companies to submit digital bills of lading over the network, allowing all parties in the supply chain to access the original copy for operational and billing purposes. Additionally, all nodes within the TradeLens network provide up-to-date tracking information recorded on a ledger and distributed to and verified by all members of the supply chain. This allows shipping companies and customers to track the shipment on one consistent platform. However, according to an article published by CoinDesk, Maersk and IBM have hit roadblocks in advancing the TradeLens project. Competitors such as Hapag-Lloyd and CMA-CGM are reluctant to participate due to the lack of neutrality of TradeLens. Zim Integrated Shipping Services, a marine shipping company, joined forces with Wave Limited and Sparks Logistics to launch a pilot program that allows customers to utilize blockchain to create, submit, and view bills of lading. Much like the TradeLens initiative, this technology allows network participants to create bills of lading that are distributed on a shared ledger throughout Zim's entire supply chain, allowing for an unalterable, easily accessible document throughout the life cycle of the shipment. This prevents altering of the bill of lading and decreases lead time by ensuring every company has shipment information at each step of the shipment process. Blockchain is a powerful technology that has the potential to revolutionize the transportation industry through a decentralized peer-to-peer network of nodes who work together to validate and record transactions and events. While logistics professionals have limited knowledge of this new phenomenon, many applications are being realized and developed for use. Today, we discuss the applications of blockchain to the transportation industry, which includes improved tracking of goods throughout the shipment life cycle, ethical sourcing of goods, unalterable blockchain-based bills of lading to reduce administrative costs and lead time, and smart contracts to automate the execution of payment when terms are met. We also discuss some of the challenges affecting industry-wide adoption, including collaboration among members of the supply chain, development of industry standards, ensuring scalability of the technology, and personnel challenges. Organizations must be able to share knowledge with each other to move this new technology forward. Industry initiatives such as BITA, TradeLens, and Zim's blockchain-based bill of lading project are just a few examples of how companies are already working together to understand and implement this technology to address supply chain inefficiencies. Thank you for watching my presentation.